Possession means having or owning something. It also means something that belongs to a person. In simple words, possession equals something you own or have. What does possession mean in daily life? When you buy something and it belongs to you, that thing is your possession. Possession can be money, phone, house, books, any personal item. Two common uses of possession. First use, owning something. Second use, the item that you own. Very easy examples with explanation. This phone is my possession. The phone belongs to me. He lost his most valuable possession. He lost something important. More simple example sentences. The house is her possession. Books are my possession. Money is not the only possession. Daily life situations. A student keeps books as possessions. A person protects valuable possessions. People take care of their possessions. Student-friendly sentence. My bag is my possession. Important point to remember. Possession does not only mean objects. It can also mean control, like in sports. Example. The team has ball possession. The team controls the ball. Easy memory tip. Possession equals own or belong.